Welcome back to Three Styles, guys. Today is Wednesday, June 23rd, currently 1:24 p.m. Houston time. Today we're going to be looking at Bloom Energy, ticker BE. But first, let's look at the general market just as a guide, as a reference and comparative. So today it is up 0.16% for the month. Well, I don't know if you guys saw my previous video. I told you it looked like a little downturn here, but the strong down day Friday touched my SMA 50 line. But usually when it touches the SMA 50 line, it bounces back, and true to that, it is bouncing back from that. So it looks like from the short little downturn it had, it is bouncing back. Green day, and pretty much an even day, but it might end up being a green day. But the signal shows that it's bouncing back. Just for you to compare to any other stock, or just so you know what's going with the general market, because I know a bunch of you like to invest in up and coming companies or growth companies, but those have been slightly down lately, and most people think that the market has been down, but it really hasn't. It's just you have to find where the market is going right now. But yeah, off to BE, guys. Off to Bloom Energy. So for today, it is up 4.47%. And if I were me, I would say this is about the high of the day. The MACD is about to go down. It is overbought on the RSI. And comparing the candle size to an average size, it's about 90% of about the biggest candle that it can get. So if you were a day trader, I would take profit right about now. But beyond that, on the month, as you can see, it was. Now I'm gonna be looking at this little blue dotted line, my HB 14, which I use as my fastest swing trade. So if it's here in the middle or it's above it, it's positive, right? When it goes under, it's slightly negative. And then over here it's picking up again. It's been picking up and it's going positive again. Also on the chars, this pink dots, if it's over it, it's positive. If it's under it, it's negative, and you just turn back to positive on the chars. Volume's been good lately. For the 3 months. So on the 3 months, we look at the MACD, and it was positive, about to go negative, but it didn't quite. It kept the positive momentum going. Also, on the signals, as you can see, the histograms, it went over it, which is what you want to be even more assertive of a positive move. So everything I'm looking at right now recently is positive. It had ended its little short downtrend about here, and then instead of going down so much, it just took a break and it's going back up again. So all of that looks good. The only thing I see here is that in the in the RSI, it might be about to hit the top level, which sometimes they take a break before they keep going, or sometimes it just breaks it and stays up there. That's the only thing you might want to look at if you're a short swing trader. You might want to trade it and see if it goes over, and just take 1 or 2 days before going again, or you just look at the candle patterns that past that. On the 6 months, we're gonna look at Bollinger Band. So this top blue to bottom lines, it's all one signal. And as you can see, when it hits it, it goes down, hits it, it goes down, hits it, it goes in. Well, it bounces, It's kind of what it does with the Bollinger Band. And over here, because it's such a good couple of days, it passed it again. So you should expect a little bounce down before it makes any other moves. But it's just one signal. I wouldn't base everything else on just one signal. For the year, you know that I like to look at my SMA 50, right? This purple line right here. And if it's positive, or if it's healthy, I like to say, with this line, if it's healthy, it's over it. See? And then over here, they went under it, and it was unhealthy. Over here, it tested it, but it just tested it. It needs to be there at least a week and a half or 2. And over here, it looks like it's swooping up under it, so it's healthy right now. Beyond that, my SMA 21, which is I use as a crossover, right, as a long-term crossover. Over here, they crossed over and became negative, and over here, just had crossed over again. So that's my longest swing trade indicators, and it did just pass on to positive. So nothing but positive looking at lately, guys. So that's awesome. It's a good entry point. It's one of my positions that I entered on yesterday. And yeah, so that's it for right now. Let me know what you think. If you're enjoying these videos, leave a comment, subscribe. Thank you and peace.